This is why material choice matters in 3D printing. 4 years ago, we 3D printed this sunglasses holder for our vehicle's visor. It worked exactly as intended, until it didn't. After sitting in a hot vehicle, the PLA began to warp, turning a useful print into a reminder that not every material belongs in every environment. So today, we'll reverse engineer the original, print it in ASA, and find out if this new version can withstand the heat. Now, enough with the chatter, because these layers matter. Welcome back to the channel. The original works pretty well for my partner's shades, but not for mine. Without messing with the original, we'll measure every feature we can, rebuild it from scratch, and see how close we can get it to the original. At this point, I think we've captured all the important dimensions. The overall shape is pretty simple, but some of the small details are what make it fit securely on the visor and hold the sunglasses without falling off. The question is whether those measurements will translate into the holder that actually fits. It looks right on the computer, but now it's time to find out if our reverse engineered version is actually the same as the original, with the exception of us printing it in ASA instead of PLA, since ASA is much better suited for high temperature environments, but can also give off more VOCs, so use caution while printing. After printing the original design in ASA for my partner's glasses since it worked so well, and printing the new design for mine, the print came out pretty clean, with some defects. But a good looking print doesn't always mean a good fit. So now comes the real test. Do we recreate the original accurately enough for it to fit the visor and hold the sunglasses securely? There's only one way to find out. Here's the original design in ASA with my partner's sunglasses. And here's the recreation of the design with mine. How close do you think we got? Even though now we'll let time be the real test. If you've ever had to recreate a design because you lost the original file or you had to print fail because of the wrong material choice, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next project.